The standard arc measurement is pretty straightforward. We have a pane here, but the only thing you need to do is select a circle on which you would like to measure the arc, then select 2 points, and that's your result. But there's more possibilities. So let's reselect the circle again, and let's do a different selection. For instance, here the circle centers, they are now projected on the circle we have selected before, and then the measurement will be performed. What if these points are used for the arc measurements reside on a different object? So again, let's select the circle, then select the points, and now you see that the points will be projected on the plane the circle resides in, and then the arc measurement will be performed on that. And that's even more complicated if the part has been rotated. So the plane the circle resides is now different. And if we select the center points here again, you see that the projection on the plane where the circle resides is different.